Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do another, I want to say, episode of Photos in Hand, making page kits. And I found this picture of me and my oldest granddaughter, and I will probably scrapbook this for her and me. And so this one is going to be for me. I have on a brown sweater, she's got on a pink dress, and it probably was close to Valentine's Day, I'm thinking, because she's pretty little. She was born in November, so I thought I'm going to use this Chocolate Kiss by Mintay. And I love flowers, and since this is going to be for mine, I'm going to use this floral. This is the other side. And I might use this also, because I probably will use at least two. It's got candy on the other side. And then I've also already got the die cuts in here and the fussy cut pieces. So that is going to be one. I think I got 5 or 6 today. If I can pick these up. I'll tell you, I cut my fingernails and it's like, they must be shorter than normal. I just cannot put them underneath anything to pick it up. Okay. And then, now it's like I was trying to think, what else could I put together? Because I had 2 really great inspiration pieces and I had those done right away. And those take me so long to do the other ones. And so I was looking through my stuff, the kids' stuff, and then I was looking for papers and I thought, oh, I have this Easter set. And so I found these pictures of me that were from Easter from 1964, and my birthday was before Easter, and so it's like I ended up in my Easter outfit every time my mom had my photo taken, I think. So I'm going to use this Beauty and Bloom by Mintay, and I think I'll probably use these 2 pieces maybe in a vertical, because that's what I like. And then this wood piece. Here's the other side. It's a window. And these 2, this is on one side. I thought about using this, and then this side is on the back of the floral. I thought about using this, but there's no way that I could get this on here without covering up all the details. So unless I come up with something else, I think this will be it, unless I, figure out how to use the other side. I brought this in just in case I didn't have too many embellishments, because it does look like I've used a lot of embellishments, but I have a whole lot of this paper left. So anyhow, I thought I would do that, and I think there was somebody else I had an Easter picture of that I thought I should just do that one now too, but I couldn't think of what it was. So, okay, so I'm gonna do that. And then I was looking at this picture the other day. This is the Alex, the girl twin, and she's got these, she's got her big old lips puckered up there. I just thought it was such a cute picture. And she's got this little stripe headband on, big bow on the side, and then this little scarf that her mom had made. And I thought that is super cute. I'm gonna do this, and I'm going to use the Simple Vintage Indigo Garden. Now, I had bought this through Peachy Cheap, so I didn't get a whole lot of it, and I put other things with it, but I didn't find what I wanted to put with it, so I pulled, or in my collection that I made, so I pulled out this pink because it matches like the butterflies, and I didn't bring those out, but it matches like the butterflies in the kit and some of the flowers in the kit. So I thought I might use this to mat it in, and then maybe I would take the center out and maybe mat her photo in this. And it has like a grid, so it would be, you'd have the different colors in this, so I like that. It'd just be a little different. And so that would be nice around there too, I figured so. And let's see what's on the back of that. Yeah, this is real pretty, but it's so repetitious to me that I would only want it in a strip or something. And I think this is, oh, this is just, yeah, just the back of that. So this is number 3. And then I think this was the one I got inspired last night, and I actually had to just go get it. So anyhow, I was looking at just some different layouts, and somebody had done something with places we go, and I thought, oh, I have this little booklet. The twins went to this school called Jack and Jill, and every year they would do an auction to make money to pay for the kids' school, so they didn't have to pay so much for the next, or for the coming year, and or the rest of that year or whatever. So anyhow, my daughter, she was in charge of doing some of the things. She did it 3 years in a row, the 3 years that the kids were there. And anyhow, she asked me to do the cover and their poster. So I had done this design and designed the cover of this, and it was also a poster. Now, when they left, they accidentally forgot to take the poster home, so she was really upset that she forgot to take it home, and it probably got thrown away. So anyhow, I had taken a picture of it previously. What year was this? I had taken a picture of it previously, and see, it says the cover was designed by Aiden and Alex's grandma. And this must have been my number at the auction. I don't see where it says what year it was. I'll have to ask my daughter. But it was the 14th annual. And so I thought, and I have this picture of my daughter, my other daughter. This is the daughter that had done the stuff for the auction, and this is the table I was sitting at. So I took this picture, and I have this picture too. So you kind of see you would maybe bid on a cake, and whoever bid the highest, they got to pick the cake first and stuff like that. And everything was Dr. Seuss themed, because the thing was, oh, the places will go, the book was. And that's what this is kind of what I actually looked up on YouTube. And who was the guy who was reading the book? I can't think of who it was. Well, anyhow, they were reading the book, and but I made the characters look like Jack and Jill instead of Dr. Seuss. But they were like in this little hat and floating in a balloon. So I thought it really turned out cute. And so, but anyhow, it had cut it off, so I re-photographed it yesterday, and I got a lot darker picture. But I had the print set on maybe, best option or something. I don't remember what, or like auto fix or something. So it ended up dark like this. I think I might, if I can't get it to look like this, I might just use this one, because I think this one shows their details better. Even though it cut off part of the words, I think it's okay. So I thought I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna use Mintay's Places Will Go. And I thought it would be cute with this cloud paper. And then I might put on some brick. I thought maybe a brick sidewalk. And these houses on this sheet are smaller, so I thought I might put some houses on there. And maybe the car, but maybe the smaller car. So because I have a smaller car in here from the fussy cutting. So I thought I would do that and then have the balloon like in the air. I thought that would be cute. So that's what I got inspired with yesterday when I decided, oh, I think I'm gonna do one more of the photos in hand before I start scrapbooking. So this is number, is that number 4? Well, it's 4 or 5. So that's gonna be the next one. I don't know how come I can't keep track of the number while I'm at it. And then one of them, I am going to use this photo that my husband found in the box that he was going through when we were doing the closet. And she's definitely a ancestor or like a cousin to my mom or to my grandma because she looks so much like my mom. And this is from 1902. I think it'll just be so fun to scrapbook it. And I'm going to, I pulled in a lot of papers because I want to do a lot of layering, I think. So I brought in, I mean, this is like so beautiful. I'm thinking I really need another set, but I didn't see it anywhere, and I spent time doing that today because I thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to use up all those papers on a lady I never met. And then the floral, and on the back of the floral is this beautiful burgundy too, which I love that also. But oh my gosh, this floral has my heart. And then this collage paper, and if I can flip this over I will, and that's got the cabinet in it. In fact, I even thought about maybe just putting her in the cabinet, because a lot of these old photos, they used to call them cabinet photos, but they usually had a mat around it. But this might have at one time, well, obviously it did because there it's been tore out. But I love this picture. I love how it looks like my mom. And then I got the fussy cut pieces because I have not even fussy cut these, and I've had this for quite a while. And then I brought this along too in case I want to cut something out of here. And then of course the embellishments. Oh, and I also brought the frames because I thought I might want something out of there. There's this large frame here, and I thought I could even put that inside this and then just have a pretty paper back there. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I just know the papers I like for it. And then I brought the 8.5 by 11 too, which I definitely need to cut out embellishments out of here too. Wow, look at that camera. It's awesome. And so I'll have some of these. This one I kind of collected a lot of things. So I brought in an old button. This, I think it was on something that, I think it was on a liquor bottle that my brother-in-law had. And then I put in a piece of that vintage black lace that's been beaded. I brought in some photo corners. And because of her outfit, she looks like it's mink lined. And I have this old, it's from a furrier company. And in Chicago, I want to look up see if it's still in business. It was 40 years when they made this pen, but it's a pen and it has like a mink head on it, and I got it at a garage sale. I think I would like to actually just glue it on, because it's like, what in the heck am I going to do with it? I've been saving it for years. So I think I might just take a picture of it and use that as an embellishment. Use the picture as an embellishment. And did I say, and I put it in one of those old buttons that I told you I had, or showed you that I had, that I found in the closet. So I got 2 things I found in the closet, and so that will be super fun. I'm really excited to do that. So that's all for today, and tomorrow if I get really inspired and pull some things out, maybe I'll do another set, because I'm pretty sure I'll need at least 3 sets to make it through the month. and along with my collection of sessions. Well, 3 sets if I get enough on each one. And otherwise, I'll be doing a layout. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.